Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Sorry for not uploading for so long. And I will be answering your question in a minute. And you might wonder why I'm going to on the MightySquad page. What?
No one had any questions.
Let's pretend they did. Okay. So, I'm here with my cousin. So I'm 19 and okay. So what I was about to say is you might be wondering why I'm on the MightySquad page. Okay, well, first of all, if you don't know the hacking that's been on Animal Jam, I'm going to do some quoting. You have been living under a rock, quoting from Lilac Petal. Well, what's been going on? Rent's Jungle is... I was moving it out of the way so I could eat my pasta. So you may be wondering about the hacking that's been going on. If you don't already know, I'm about to tell you about this person named Rent's Jungle who was banned. So if you search them up, they are banned. Add a S. Like, do whatever, but you're not going to find them. So this person, MightySquad, you should go watch Wolfie Cat's video. Not mine. Okay. No. But I have a theory in my video. Okay. So MightySquad apparently is apparently is taking over, or is probably hacking, is claiming that they're going to hack Animal Jammer 330. See, look, ready? So as you can see, yeah. There, okay, they have Instagram. Do not follow them. Do not comment. Do not subscribe. Watch her videos if you would like to see what's going on with them. But yeah, okay. So I'm gonna Who needs an edible? No. I'm just gonna go on Instagram on the computer. What? People actually do that? Okay. If you saw, I was just on their page because I was making the video and then it got ruined. Okay. And they were like, LOL, live hacking most likely going up tonight. That was said a day ago. Hacking video will be delayed due to long loading times for our tools. Thank you for being patient. They've been posting this really rude stuff, like shooting Julian Two's faces along with twinkles and Starry Moons, Kosho, Animal Jammer 330. And, okay, so which one? Okay, I'm just going to show you this because apparently it's really fun. Okay, this is so funny. It's laughable. Ready? Go watch this video. Don't subscribe. This guy's hilarious.
Wait, this part's not
Which part?
you know what it said?
I watched the video like 100 times. Okay. Okay. Okay, if you watch Lilac's Pedals video, it was of her explaining the hacking, how it was just the beginning, and that these guys are real, and that she follows them on Instagram to know what's going on. She subscribes to them to know what's going on. And she said that she saw all these programs that they use, they showed her, and that they are real. And then I was thinking, wow, and also my cousin was thinking that, wow, wow, that's really suspicious. Okay. And so I'm going to show her the video again to point out something that she missed. And she deleted the video. I just think that's really suspicious, and I just think that's really suspicious. I think she is part of the hacking, by the way. And you know how everybody's targeting, oh, not everybody, but MightySquad is targeting Animal Jammer 330. I think they're doing that. If Lilac is on the hacking team, I think she's not even hacked. She hasn't been hacked yet. And that she is making it seem like it's not her by targeting one of her best AJ friends. And that's it for this video. Oh wait, I have to tell you what. Can you turn that off? Okay. And I haven't answered the question of why I haven't been uploading videos. That is because, well, they were thinking that. What are you looking at? How do you read that? No, but I can't even see it with the way my computer is angled. Okay, anyway, I haven't been uploading videos because I've been recording them and they're just really annoying and they won't upload anyway. Bye.